Hey guys, it's Hardik from WotNot. So last month in October, we launched a few new updates. So in this video, we'll be taking you through each of them one by one. Number one is Carousel message type. So we added support for creating Carousel message type on WhatsApp. So if you click on Carousel message type, it opens up this interface. So it's pretty similar to the other template message types, but the only difference being instead of adding buttons, you can now add cards. So if you have like a use case where you want to send a list of products or a list of properties or a list of services, you can just add these cards here. Each card can have its own media. It could be either an image or a video. You can add a description and you can add a few call to action buttons. So likewise, you can add up to 10 buttons and create your own template. Just to show you what that looks like, it's somewhat like this. So you have a list of cards and you have buttons which when clicked take you forward in the conversation flow, or if it redirects, it can take you to a web page. Number two is we launched message statuses. So on the live chat page now, for each message that the bot sends, you will be able to see a message status at the bottom. Similar to WhatsApp, we have three types of message statuses. So if you have a single gray tick, it means the message is sent from our end but not delivered to the other party. If you have two gray ticks, it means that the message has been delivered but the user has not seen it yet. And if you have two blue ticks, it means the user has seen that message. So if you hover on them, you'll be able to see that, and if you hover on the time, you'll exactly be able to see when was it sent, when was it delivered, or when was it seen. And this is applicable for all the channels that we have, so web, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, etc. Depending on the limitations of the channel, you may be able to see seen or not. So like channels like SMS don't have that functionality, so it will not be available there, but rest of the channels will work fine. And lastly, we launched two new public APIs. So the first API was for adding data sources to knowledge base. So we had a lot of requests coming in that we don't want to manually add data to the knowledge base, but add it dynamically. So using this API, you can add any kind of file or text input, and it will be added to your knowledge base. And when you do that, obviously you want to know if the training has been completed or not. So we have another API for it. So using this API, you can get the status of the data source that you added to a knowledge base, and it will tell you if it is in progress or it was completed. Likewise. So that's it for October, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated on the new updates.